stainless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah,
Ganda ng tulay. Alright guys, malapit na tayo sa spot. Uy, dagat na pala.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence and patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is boring. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody
Snapper. Gusto mo na tayo doon.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Picture tayo dito. Mag-popper din ah. Magpa-popper nga ako dyan. Isang popper ka? Oo. Ay, lumulutang lang. Wala ka ata eh. Tara, kain mo na. Para makaano tayo. Sit up. Naabol yan ng malaki. Pusit sana. Dapat may pusit tayo na pain.
Doon yung naluto.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em.
Nice fight tayo guys. Ay, naluto ang ganda. Alright guys, sit up tayo. Yung alright guys, try ko mag-menu dito. First class. Oh, ganda lang lang eh. Nakabul na agad. Ito guys. Barracuda guys, Barracuda. Sana hindi maputol. Ayan guys, Barracuda 1-0. Wala. Oh, naka-record kaya? Babalik ko sa tubig. Uy, nipis lang. Tawag na bro, sige pa. Alright guys, 1-0.
Picture mo ito una.
Muntik lang ako ko. Guys, Barracuda guys.
Ano tawag yan?
Barracuda daw.
Barracuda. Talin yan. 1-0. Oh, kasali tayo. Meron. Guys, itap ko lang itong isang ano nang kasama ko.
1-0 ah.
Rapala na ito. 1, 2,
Ah!
3.
Oo, pala yung tali na yan.
Rapala na ito. Tapos balik mo lang dito.
May flying fish, may flying fish, may wings yan. Pak. Saka yun yung mga tumatalon eh, hindi yung mga tumatalon.
Yun yung nangahabol.
Ayan yung nahabol.
Sige, ano mo na lang. Bigpit. Right guys, second cast tayo. Tingin na sila eh. Kanina pa sila eh. Ganda ng cast mo ah. Passing mo lang tapos retrieve mo. Laro-laruin mo lang. Yun. Yun. Dali. Uy. Hindi. Mista. Opo, stop recording. Galing ba? Babaw lang. Oh. Yun o, medyo dark water. Yung mga builo eh. Kaya yung buti dito, baka singaw yung bike natin. Alright guys, lipat tayo ng panibagong spot. Ganda. Ayan, ganda. Ayan guys, ganda ng pista. Mga rebulto ah.
All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.